Wang Yalin grew up in a poor family in I Village, Pingxiang County, North China's Hebei province, which was once a deeply impoverished village. Wang and his family members could only live off farming in the past. To improve their living standards, he started to run a business in the baby carriage industry. In 2012, the local government in Pingxiang County began to organize training programs in e-commerce. Wang regarded it as a good opportunity to expand his business.
参加县里免费的电商培训，利用县里免费配备的电脑跟宽带，就想把家乡物美价廉的童车通过互联网打开销路。从那以后，就慢慢的把电商做起来了。
Now, Wang has registered his own baby carriage brand. Its annual turnover is more than 1 million yuan.
这几天太忙了，每天的订单都在增长。这几天的订单达到了每天200多个，预计双11期间要比平时增加10倍，订单会达到2500个左右。现在有好的形势，县里还有好的政策，必须抢抓好的机遇，农村电商大有可为。